Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a Kia Optima 2016 to 2021. This is the right front. You've got a cover there and a Phillips screwdriver, Phillips screw into that, and one cover behind the chrome handle that you pull to get out. And you're going to take off the side view mirror cover. So you get a screw there, and you get a screw there. I had already been to this one before to lock the window up for the customer. The gears strip out on this, and it's not impossible to change the gear, but it's very difficult. So I'm changing the entire regulator. We can unclip all the retainers that hold the wiring harness in place. A couple screws right there on that relay. Gonna push the rubber piece that's around the cables in. Oh, by the way, to remove the cables, there's a simple black tab on the other side of that you just push in and it pops right off. $8mm socket for the bolts by the speaker. 7mm socket for the bolts that hold the motor in. I had already taken the motor out. And you get a 10mm bolt there and a 10mm bolt there. You can loosen. The one on the left you're going to remove. Once you do that, you should be able to get the glass up. A little WD-40 on the two up and down channels is always a good idea every 3 or 4 months. You can secure the glass and then 10mm bolts all around. And this is one time where you won't need to remove the latch or the outside handle. A lot of these Kias and Hyundais you will. On this one it's not necessary. You've got 2 wiring harnesses over there on the side. Unhook those. You'll have to figure out how to unhook them. They just unplug. You should be able to see it. Out with the old, in with the new. I didn't tell you this, but you'd be wise to make sure you have the correct regulator before you dive in, before you take everything out. Slide the cables back through and plug in the wiring harnesses. Now on this one, on the Optima, they have changed the material of the gear inside the regulator. So some of them they've not changed it, and this one they did, so I don't know what the rationale is behind it. By the way, if this video is helpful for you, if it was beneficial, do me a favor, like, L-I-K-E, like the video. That'll help other people find it on YouTube, and that helps me with YouTube immensely. Thank you. And if you have any questions, ask. I'll be glad to get to them within a day or so. 10mm bolts. I'm putting a couple of them in just to hold the panel in place while I get it. I guess I'm putting all of them in. I'm putting all of them in. If you have an 11 to 15 Optima, I have a video for that too. It's the same concept, but it's a little bit different. Now, if the holes don't line up with where the bolts are going to go, you can manually raise it up before you put the motor on. And that's the way to go. You're going to need to put the motor on before you put the glass on, because if you push the glass down right now, it's just going to push the clips down. So let's plug in the motor. 7mm longer screws, bolts for that. And now once you've done that, you can bring the glass down, line it up onto the 2 tabs. That bolt goes all the way through the glass, and that bolt just tightens onto the glass. Just tightens the clamp onto the glass. And what I'm feeling around there is to make sure that the one on the right is actually seated properly, that the glass is seated inside the clamp. I'm testing it out. And the rest of it's pretty easy. So you can watch the rest of this if you'd like. And thank you for watching. And if you have a chance, go ahead and like the video. Have a great week.